What if you can make your hair fuller while using all of your existing hair, plus while keeping all of your existing hair safe and healthy? Are you concerned about hair extensions, toppers, and any method of adding additional hair that will cause additional hair loss? They all work, but they cause or speed up additional hair loss. Are you also using those powders that conceal and hide your thinness and work great, but they speed up hair loss? The solution now is the Micro Strand invention. One human hair at a time is fed onto these micro strands that becomes this, the finished product. When these are custom made and blended in between your own hair, they disappear. You're using all of your existing hair, and all of your hair is staying safe and healthy. The way to find out more detail is to schedule a free video demo. A free video demo will be where we can see you and you can see us, and we'll be able to give you options on how you can make your hair fuller while keeping it safe and healthy. All you have to do is fill out the form below and or schedule your own free video demo. So all you have to do is fill out the form below or just schedule your own free video demo. There's a calendar below. Pick the day and time of your selection, and then we will confirm this appointment for your free video demo.